हेलो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे YouTube चैनल में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ जनरल फुल फॉर्म्स के बारे में और ये आज मैं आपके लिए पार्ट 3 लेकर आई हूँ। पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए जाएंगे। ये सभी फुल फॉर्म्स आपके लिए जानना जरूरी है। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको और भी अपडेट्स मिलते रहे और वीडियो को शुरू से एंड तक जरूर देखें। DDS डॉक्टर ऑफ डेंटल सर्जरी, DDT डाइक्लोरोडाइफेनिल ट्रिक्लोरेथिन, DEAL डिफेंस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एप्लीकेशन लेबोरेटरी, DGCA Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCEI Directorate General of Central Excise Intelligence, DGHC Darjeeling Gorkha Hills Council, DGHS Director General Health Services, DGTD Directorate General of Technical Development, DHL Dalsey Hiblom and Lyon, DIC Disseminated Intravascular Coagulation, DICCI Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, PVC Polyvinyl Chloride, DIPAM Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DISHA District Infrastructure Scheme Advisory Committee, DMI Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, MOES Ministry of Earth Sciences, DP Display Picture, PRK People's Republic of Korea, MNRE Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, DSC Distinguished Service Cross, DST Daylight Saving Time, DVM Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, DWT Deadweight Tonnage, PMI Project Management Institute, EADS European Aeronautic Defence and Space Company, ECG Electrocardiogram, EDMS an Electronic Document Management System, EEZ an Exclusive Economic Zone, EGOM Empowered Group of Ministers, EIP Enterprise Information Portal, EMF Electromotive Force, EMU Electric Multiple Unit, ENT Ear, Nose and Throat, EOU Export Oriented Units, EPCH Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts, EPIC Electors Photo Identity Card, EST Eastern Standard Time, ITDC India Tourism Development Corporation, EVM Electronic Voting Machine, EVP Electors Verification Program, FACTS Flexible Alternating Current Transmission System, FBTR Fast Breeder Test Reactor, FDCI Fashion Design Council of India, RPO Recruitment Process Outsourcing, FMCT Fissile Material Cut-off Treaty, FMD Foot and Mouth Disease, FPO Follow on Public Offer, FTZ Free Trade Zone, GAAP General Accepted Accounting Principles, GAGAN GPS Aided GEO Augmented Navigation, GATS General Agreement on Trade in Services, GCS Glasgow Coma Scale, GMDSS Global Maritime Distress and Safety System, GMP Good Manufacturing Practice, GOC, General Officer Commanding. GSP, Generalized System of Preferences. GSPC, Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation Limited. HEMRL, High Energy Materials Research Laboratory. HITS, Hyperlink Induced Topic Search. HMI, Human Machine Interfaces. HSL, Hindustan Shipyard Limited. HVDC, High Voltage Direct Current. STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. ICADR, International Center for Alternative Dispute Resolution. ICBL, International Campaign to Ban Landmines. ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations. ICCS, International Commission of Control and Supervision. ICFTU, International Confederation of Free Trade Unions. ICRISAT, International Crops Research Institute for the Tropics. ICSI, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. ICTT, International Container Transshipment Terminal. ICW, International Council of Women. IDPL, Indian Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited. IDSA, Institute of Defense Studies and Analysis. IFPRI, International Food Policy Research Institute. IFRI, International Forestry Resources and Institutions. IGIA, Indira Gandhi International Airport. IIMC, International Institute of Mass Communication. IIRS, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. IMDb, Internet Movie Database. IMET, International Military Education and Training. BMEWS, Ballistic Missile Early Warning System. IMR, Infant Mortality Rate. INS, Indian Naval Ship. INSAT, Indian National Satellite System. INTACH, Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. IOSCO, International Organization of Securities Commission. IPCL, Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited. TVC, Total Variable Cost. IR, Infrared Radiation. IARBM, Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile. IRCI, Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of India. IRENA, International Renewable Energy Agency. IRF, Information Retrieval Facility. IRS, Internal Revenue Service. IRSE, Indian Railway Service of Engineers. ISAF, International Security Assistance Force. ISB, Indian School of Business. ISBN, International Standard Book Number. थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब